How's it going, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? So we've got a little bit of sponsorship news. If you watch Motogp, you know obviously that there's like Monster Energy Yamaha and Petronas Yamaha, and you've got Ducati and their 3 other satellites, and you've got LCR Honda and Tech 3 KTM, whatever. So obviously there's always a factory backed squad and the satellite squad for younger riders or whatever. Obviously, or in the case of like Rossi, just kind of someone who needed a ride for the last year of his career, not contract. So, in the world of Yamaha, obviously there's Monster Energy Yamaha and Petronas SRT, which is the satellite team. Well, it's not going to be Petronas anymore. That's just not going to be a thing. Apparently, the Malaysian oil giant Petronas will no longer be the Sepang Racing Team. That would be the SRT part of that racing team's title sponsor in MotoGP from 22. So I think they still 21. So yeah, next year they are no longer going to be the title sponsor for the satellite team of Yamaha. Who knows? This is apparently August 12th, so that was today. Yes. That is news from today when I'm recording it, at least. Might not be news for when you see this, but... So, and they're not just pulling out of MotoGP, it's also the Moto2 and Moto3 teams. So I guess technically all of MotoGP. So, who knows? I mean, I'm assuming that Yamaha probably will not have a problem finding a title sponsor for their satellite team, or who knows, maybe they already have somebody lined up. I have no idea. They started... Sepang Race Team made its debut in 2015 in the Moto3 class. That's just the SRT part of it. That's not anything to do with Petronas, but they stepped up in 2019 to become the satellite, title sponsor. So they've been not that long actually. 2019, 2020, 2021. So only 3 years, I guess technically. So that's really not that long. And who knows why. Obviously, it's probably a big chunk of money, but if you're an oil giant, what does that really matter for you? Because you're making money off of the gas and all that, everything. But, so yeah, I have no idea. It's kind of big news, but also I don't think it's going to be that big of a problem for Yamaha, like I said, to find another title sponsor. You never know. Obviously, it's not going to be another energy drink company, because you're not going to have Monster Energy Factory and like Rockstar SRT. That would just I can't see that happening. But there's tons of companies, and being MotoGP, being the top end of the motorcycle racing world, obviously the exposure you get from it is, how do you calculate that really? It's big because how many people watch it, how many people see it in person, and especially if you get a rider that everyone likes, you get people wearing merch and everything from them and on, branding and everything. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you think it's a big deal? Again, like I say, I don't think it is, but do you think it is? Do you think... Who do you believe, or would you like to see be the sponsor for this? Like, would it be another energy drink company? Is it going to be something completely unrelated, like it used to be with was it Movie Star or something like that they had for a long time? And whatever it is, comment down below. Remember, as you're scrolling down to comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like and the little bell that's next to it, so you know when I'm posting more of my fun things. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.